Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Stock Explorer. I am Arup and together we will embark on a exciting journey to uncover hidden gem stock that hold great potential for the future. Today I am thrilled to introduce you to our pick for this session, JK Paper Limited. This is a prominent paper manufacturer in India. Let's begin. Before we dive into the details, let me share with you the 6 crucial factors I consider when picking stock. First, I analyze the current stock price to determine its fairness using financial ratio like PB, price to book value, PE, price to earning, and compare them with industry peers. Next, I assess the company's financial performance, uh, growth potential, unique business model which sets them apart from others in the market. Additionally, I examine their cash statement to evaluate their ability to manage debt. However, it is essential to exercise caution. Investing in stock requires thorough research. I delve into their financial growth prospect and market dynamics to ensure we are making a smart choice. Our ultimate goal is to identify companies that can offer promising returns to investors. So, stay tuned as we dig deeper into that JK paper and explore its potential as an investment opportunity. Let's embark on this exciting journey together. Thanks for joining and let's get started. Before we proceed further, I want to say that you do your own research before taking any decision. So, JK Paper Limited is a leading manufacturer of India, paper manufacturer. They have new verticals also. You will find it in later slides. They have a strong financial performance with a good ROE of 29.64 and ROCE of 29.98. Attractive valuation, current price is at 340. Price to book value is 1.43. PE ratio is 4.63 against industry PE of 15.8. Healthy financial structure, low debt, 2,803 crores is probably the rate as on date. Debt to equity ratio is 0.69. They have no pledge share. Impressive growth, sales and profit increasing year on year, that is 11% and 18% as of June 2023, the Q1 result. They have low business risks. They have public holding below 50%, that is 36.79, although they are some individual investor in this list also. In conclusion, that JK Papers, after this studying these 6 parameters, I conclude JK Paper stands as a formidable player in the paper industry with impressive financial performance, sustainable practice and innovation. Business, let's just quickly run through this business overview. They have diversified product portfolio, office paper, writing, printing paper, packaging board, specialty paper, renowned brand like JK Copier, JK Easy Copier, JK Spark, JK Cedar, JK Max, JK Excel Bond, etc. etc. Recent development, they acquired 85% of equity share of India's largest corrugated packaging in manufacturer, Horizon Packaging Private Limited, and Securipax Packaging Private Limited. They have 7 plant nationwide. They are introducing new product also, that is JK Eco Green Pure Fill and JK Eco Green Tough Freeze. JK Pure Fill P2P and cigarette boards. Okay, these are basically new business line. Basically, they are addressing the market of disposable uh, containers. Uh, Sustainability commitment. If you see, they have a captive plantation which is dedicated to plantation activity, aiming for wood and carbon positive status. They have 6 lakh acre of plantation, over 110 crores of sapling plant. Now come to the financial performance. Um they are a market cap. They have a market cap of 5,756 crores. Uh, the highest ever consolidated turnover, rupees 6,772 crores. EBITDA 2,184 crores. PAT rupees 1,196 crores. This is as per the financial year 22-23. ROCE we have already discussed. Then what next? They consistently operating profit annual growth rate is 22.44%. Positive result for 10 consecutive quarters. Then attractive valuation, enterprise value to capital employed is 1.3%. At a and the stock is trading at a discount rate. When I discuss the chart, then you can find it out. However, profits rose during that period is 77.4%. PEG is 0.16, which demonstrate that they have tremendous growth potential in near future. Institutional investor hold 13.56. Although there are some erosion in the foreign investor, they have reduced their stock by 0.76%, which is although nominal. However, those stocks are probably bought by the domestic institutional. Okay. So this is what. Let's go to. Before proceeding further, I want to present this disclaimer. I am not a SEBI registered or authorized stock analyst. My analysis is based on stock performance data and trend from recent company reports, along with business figures from various sources. Please note, this is solely my personal study. I do not recommend you to invest based on it. I strongly advise you to consult with your financial advisor before making any investment decision. I put a lot of time into researching company data. Your support means a lot to me. Please do not forget to like, subscribe and join us on this enlightening journey. Thank you for being part of it. In this slide, I aim to illustrate the year-on-year and quarter-on-quarter performance of the company following quarter 1 24 result, which was recently published. Okay. To provide a comprehensive view of the company's performance, I have included quarterly results starting from June 2020, allowing for a retrospective study. This is a comparative study. Let's say June 22, these are the sales figure, EBITDA and net profit and EPS. This is March. Okay. March is definitely better than June 22. March 23 is always better. But if you see the June 23, there is a compared to June 22, it is 11% growth in sales, 13% EBITDA, 18% net profit and 18% EPS. However, comparing to quarter on quarter of March, their sales has reduced 8%, EBITDA reduced 1%. However, net profit and EPS both increased by 10%. Now coming back to this chart, okay. This chart I have a intention to demonstrate the how the company has grown over a past a couple of years. Okay, starting from June 20, I have posted all the quarterly figure from sales. I have given a year on year sales growth also. Let's say when you are sitting at June 21, that 40% is the comparison of June 20 sales figure. So from June 20, what are the sales figure? 469, and June 21 it is a 661. So that is a growth of 40.8%, which I posted here. Okay, so that is how you should read it. Okay, and I have given a heat chart with a color code. So red is from the worst side, yellow is moderate, and green is this. If you see, there is a clear transition from red to green, which you can understand. But surprisingly, this is the pandemic year, correct? June 20, September 20, December 20, and it was started recovering over here. Okay, if you see, but never it posted a negative bottom line. Just go through this. This is very interesting. That is the reason I thought to share with you. The company sales profit has shown substantial and steady growth, barring few hiccups there. You can see the growth has quarter by quarter it has increased in the upper trend. Even during the challenging period of the pandemic, they had consistently posted profit, indicating healthy bottom line. Let's take a closer look at the net profit. For example, let's take a net profit of June 21, June 22, and most recent one is June 23. June 21 is 104 is the net profit. Okay, June 22 is 264, and June 23 is 313. Just check this the growth year on year. Okay, this is more than double, and it is from this almost 3 times of this June 21. June 23 is a 3 time of this. However, it is not double of this. Okay. So and EPS also you must have noticed that it is grown year quarter after quarter. Okay. For further insight, I encourage everyone to explore their investor presentation available on their official website. In the subsequent slides, I will share some excerpt from their presentation to provide a deeper understanding. However, that will be a very few percentage. I still ask you to take a copy of their investor presentation from their official website and study yourself. As we proceed with our analysis, let's keep a keen eye on how factors contributing JK Paper's future growth and marketing position. Slide. Okay. So if you see there, they have acquired 2 companies. I stated in earlier also. Okay. So these are the same their investor presentation. I cut paste over here. This is a JKPM in Odisha. This is CPM in Gujarat. Okay, and this is unit of Shirpur in Telangana. These are their new product line. Okay, just see that their market share is 7% and 18%. So for a leader, you know they have so much of untapped market, and these are they are the market leader. 28% of these copier paper and other, they hold it. Okay, let's go to the next. This is their uh, uh, again cut paste from their investor presentation. Their strategic location, if you see, they have the location. JKPM is located close to raw material source. Okay, so what they have in Odisha, they have plantation nearby also. So, and CPM located close to the large end customer and ports. This in Gujarat. Okay, for their global customer, they can basically ship it quickly with less cost to and access the port. SPM located close to a raw material and cold source. This is Sirpur, that is Telangana. Uh, they have the cold source over here. Coal mines are there. So so raw materials near to the raw material site. Okay, their product mix is this. Okay, you can have a note on this. They have 8 regional offices, 450 trade partners, over 4,000 dealers. Let's go to the next. This is already we discussed, but I put this slide from their uh, investor presentation, because where you can understand their production growth also. So, if you see their production paper, uncoated paper growth had reduced. Okay, this in bracket is basically negative. Coated paper also reduced. Virgin fiber board is also reduced. Okay, this is 2023 and this is 2024 quarter 1. Okay. However, the financial matrix is not that impacted. Okay. I hope you understand this. You can see the note in the bottom. Consolidated results have improved due to acquisition of corrugated business last year and better performance by Sirpur paper mill with a increased volume and higher sales realization. However, the packaging board business witnessed a drop in volume and sales realization as we impacted by higher pulp carrying cost. So, these are all depends on the input price. Let's go to the this is the year on year growth turnover wise. Okay, this is the sales growth, EBITDA growth also you can see. So, one thing is clear from all this chart. This is the profit before tax and profit after tax. If you see that, although they have a jittery performance during this pandemic and pre-pandemic, however, in the last 3 years, they are every important financial indices are uptrend. Okay, let's come to this. Now, this is one of the chart basically, uh, which I think will allow you to take a decision to enter or not. So, this is 1 year chart. You must have seen. I have also told you that they have a 8% stock was corrected, while they have a 77% profit growth. Okay, you can see that this was approximately 450 near to it was a peak 450 near to that, and how the stock is trading at 340 currently. Okay, so there is a lot of correction, but this is what market had punished them. Uh, let's go to the 3 year chart, which will give a clear indication. Okay, so if you must have seen that. Okay, it is all growing, and one important part is that stock has always gave a respect to 200-day moving average. Okay, it never fall below this unless May 2023. Okay, although it has come down, corrected sharply, but it is in the upward trend now. Probably in the uh, after this June result. Okay. So I strongly believe that it will go upward. Although I have JK tires, JK papers. Although I am making it loss, but I am not selling it because I have a good faith on this company. These are the peer companies. All you know that I mark green for the parameters, which is best for particular financial indices like P. Okay, this is the industry P is 15.84. Okay, so all the paper stocks are much below the industry P. Okay, if you see, so out of that Andhra paper is the lowest one. West Coast paper is ROCE is highest. Okay, current price by book value, which is basically price to book value, is 0.77 for Tamil Nadu newsprint. EPS is highest for West Coast. PEG is good for 0.06. Public holding is lowest for Andhra paper. Petrosky score is 9, which is highest for JK paper and West Coast paper. And ROC is highest for West Coast. Okay. So, in comparison, this JK paper, West Coast and Andhra paper, these top 3 stock all are good, but however I have picked up JK paper because I found much growth prospect in this. However, you can study West Coast paper and Andhra paper too. Okay, don't get confused with this growth, profit growth and sales growth of some of the companies, which is abnormally high. Okay, because they must have earned something which is not as per the not predicted. Okay, unpredicted income. Sorry. So, last word, please remember this analysis is for information purpose only. I strongly advise consulting with your financial advisor before making any investment decision. I am not getting support from the audience. Very less very less like and comment. So, I want to again reiterate, your support is essential to keep this channel running. So, please like, comment and share to promote and motivate my effort in this journey. Thanking you for watching my channel, and I wish you all the best.